Right, we're doing a figure of 8 now. Basically driving around the barrels, staying close to the barrel, 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel. And to do the figure of 8, the reason why we do the figure of 8 is to practice our steering, making sure that we've got full control of the truck. So to start off with it first, the first thing we do is gear, observation, all-round check, handbrake down, and drive gently forward. Making sure your pivot point gets close to the barrel, staying 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel. While you're turning, using your right hand, looking over your shoulders, making sure that the back end is clear. Once it's clear, focus forward, driving forward, using your right hand, doing a left hand turn. Again, staying 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel, looking over your shoulder, looking all around checks. Carrying on driving forward, then swapping hands, because as I'm going to do a right hand turn, I'll swap hands. Driving forward, staying 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel. Waiting for your pivot point. As I'm turning, look over my left shoulder, making sure it's clear. Driving forward. Making sure I'm not hitting anything. Driving around the barrel again. Then again, as I straighten my body up, as I straighten my truck up, using my right hand, and staying 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel, waiting for the pivot point. Before I turn, look over my shoulder on the right hand side, that it's all clear. Forward, and going around the barrel. Making sure it's all clear as I'm driving. Going around the barrel, swapping hands, staying 2 to 3 inches away from the barrel. Get to the pivot point, look over my shoulder before I turn. As I'm turning, making sure it's clear from the back. Because when you're driving forward, the back end always swings. And stop. Handbrake, neutral.